What is up, guys? Back with another vlog. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. Me and a couple friends decided to get out and ride. That's where I'm going to right now. I'm gonna go meet up with them at Boosie's. Bucky's. We call it Boosie's sometimes, but yeah, we're going to Bucky's. Well, we're meeting up at Bucky's. We're not going to Bucky's just to just to go ride. I need gas too. Well, yeah, we're gonna head downtown, get some pictures and stuff like that. It's pretty windy today again. I just got done doing all of my pre-ride checks and stuff like that. Ever since my fairings flew off, I'm trying to check before every ride, check all the screws and bolts and stuff for the fairings, just to make sure they don't fly off, you know. Oh yeah, I got my rear sets put on. Yeah, I got my rear sets put on, guys. Huge difference in how the bike feels, in a good way. I actually feel like I'm riding a super bike, you know, because after all, the 600RR is considered a super bike. So I actually feel like I'm riding one now. My knees sit a little bit higher up. It's a more of an aggressive position because my feet also sit farther back. It's a good feeling. If y'all are thinking about doing rear set, I should have done this a while ago, but if y'all are thinking about doing rear sets, I highly support. Do it. I got the Bonamici ones. But yeah, we're not doing anything too serious today. We just want to ride. No back roads, just going downtown, enjoying the weather. I'll catch y'all whenever I get to Bucky's and I'll meet up with them. Whenever we're leaving, I'll probably turn the camera back on and continue from there. But until then, deuces. Yo, it is pretty windy. Honestly, for some reason recently, I haven't had the urge to talk whenever I vlog, and I don't know why. I don't know what the hell to talk about, bro. This is what happens whenever you start moto vlogging and you're new at it. You have to find things to talk about. I'm just a guy who goes. I go with the flow. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I got. Oh yeah, that's all, bro. Holy fuck, dude. Jesus, he gets me every freaking time. Scared me. His fit looks good though. Yeah. Bro, my nose is so big it hits the front of my helmet. That's the Italian in me. I really appreciate this dude. We have come a long way with our content, our bikes, everything related to bikes. I'm proud of us. Look at that view. Downtown, baby. I can't go down a gear. I can't downshift.
I just figure out a way right here to pull up all the way to the right.
Okay.
And we'll find the nearest exit.
Okay.
I wouldn't have to be here on the fucking highway.
Okay. Come on. Let's go. My shifter was getting stuck, so we had to loosen everything up because one of the screws was too tight. Look at this. This is pretty cool. Riding downtown is awesome. That's so cute, dude. And just like that, a new rider was created, guys. Oh, a bike lane for us! As I don't take it. Oh, he's going for the kill switch on someone. Oh, he got it. Bro, look at this. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, man. That's fucking... That's... Oh, yes. I love this view. Downtown, man. It's pretty cool. Houston Symphony. Performance Arts. All these buildings are just so goddamn big, dude. Meep. Next upgrade coming in hot right here. Oh yeah, that's what I want. Look at this. Oh, I love this. I love this. Ooh. I just kill switched him and then he turned his key off. Oh, hell yeah, these tunnels. we're finishing up. Our ride is coming to an end. It was a good little downtown ride. Yeah, definitely need to do this again. I want to bring my girlfriend down here on the bike. You know how fun that'd be? Because she loves like downtown stuff. I'd love to take her down here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, show the support. I appreciate every one of y'all who watches. Until then, ride your ride, be safe, take it easy, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.